Hi my friends, it's Maya again here with another video. I'm going to show you how I make my perfect kind of coffee my way. Okay, so here we go. I'm using Hamilton Beach coffee maker, and my daughter thinks it's a good brand, but I don't know. But that's what I'm using at the moment. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started on making a perfect cup of coffee my way. So what I do first is you have to drink your coffee in your favorite cup, and right now this is my favorite cup, a Tim Hortons cup that my friend gave me for Christmas one year. So I'm using this cup to make my coffee, and first I like to put my water through first, like a cup of water and maybe a little bit more cup. I'll show you why. I'm going to put a little bit more water in, and then I'll let this go through for a little bit. So here we go. I'm going to press start and let it go through for a little bit. Okay, so when that's done, we'll come back and start again. Okay, here we go again, my friends. Now that the water has gone through one time, I like to do this just to guarantee that the water is really hot, because I like a very hot cup of coffee. So now I'm going to put my filter through like this, and I'm going to be adding 1 scoop and 2 scoop, maybe a little bit shorter than 2 scoop. As you can see, it's a little bit shorter than 2 scoops, and I'm going to put that through. And the filter I'm using, actually guys, is the one from the Dollar Tree, and it's 100 you get for $1.25. Okay, so I'm going to pull back my water out, and I'm going to pour back the hot water back to the element. And I know what you're going to say. You're probably going to say that it's not good for the machine, but this is how I like it, and this is how I do it. So let's get this percolate for a few minutes, and then I'll show you what else I do after that, just to make the perfect cup of coffee. The coffee is still percolating. It's almost done. And guys, I am using Bob a Bold coffee, and I don't usually buy Bob. I usually buy McDonald's coffee, but this one was on sale for $4.99 at Shoppers Drug Mart, and I thought that was a good price, so this is what I'm using today. And it's almost done, so let's hold tight, and here we go. Here we go, it's almost done. And oh, I love the smell of coffee and just the sound of it percolating. So the coffee is dripping, and it's almost done, and I'm going to show you how I make a delicious cup of coffee. So here we go, it is done. It's just dripping, and I'm going to pour my coffee into my cup. And remember, I think coffee tastes great once it's in your favorite cup, right? So here we go. I'm going to pour my coffee in my cup. Oh, that looks nice and dark, just how I like it. Take a look at this, guys. Okay, so I actually use condensed milk, guys, in my cup of coffee, and yeah, I know exactly what you're going to say. That's too sweet, but this is how I like my cup of coffee. I like my coffee perfect. The first coffee that I have in the morning, I like it perfect. So with the condensed milk, I have 1 2 tablespoons. Oh, look at that nice cream. And I'm going to mix it around. And this is a good time, guys, if you want to add something else in your coffee. I see people adding nutmeg, coconut oil, you know, different flavor. You're welcome to do it, but my coffee is all ready. And look at that beautiful color. Woo-hoo-hoo. And that's how I like my coffee, in my favorite cup right at this moment, a Tim Hortons cup. So let me taste, and here I go. That is perfect. That is how I like it. Double condensed milk in my coffee, Bob Bold, and it is absolutely delicious. Don't forget, guys, that everyone wonders is lost. and always strive for something better. Thank you for watching.